students, yesterday we did area of parabola and line. Now next question I am taking, find the area of region bounded by the parabola y equals to x square and y equals to mod x. So first of all we will define the curves. Y equals to x square is an upward parabola with vertex at origin and y equals to mod x as a pair of straight lines. Y equals to mod x means y equals to plus minus x. So first point we have completed, define the curve. Now second point is point of intersection. Y equals to x square and y equals to mod x. It implies x square equals to mod x or x square equals to plus minus x. It implies x square minus plus x equals to 0 or x common, x minus plus 1 equals to 0. It implies x is equal to either 0 or 1 or minus 1. Now at x equals to 0, y equals to 0 and at x equals to plus minus 1, y will be 1. किसी भी कर्व में आप वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हैं. If x is equal to plus minus 1, तो square of minus 1 is also 1, y will be 1 or mod of plus minus 1 is 1. So now we have 3 points. First is origin, second is 1, 1 and third is minus 1, 1. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास थर्ड पॉइंट होता है कर्व स्केचिंग. Upward parabola and pair of straight lines. Origin. First point of intersection is 0, 0 and second is 1, 1 and third is minus 1, 1. So this point will be 1, 1. It is minus 1, 1. So this area we have to calculate. और अब स्केच बनाया मैंने अपने स्केल और पेंसिल से बनाने. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट दिस एरिया. अब हमें पता है मॉड एक्स है तो एक्स इज इक्वली इंक्लाइंड टू बोथ द एक्सेस. तो अब हमारे पास दो चॉइस है, या तो हम फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में लिमिट 0 to 1 लेके ये एरिया कैलकुलेट करें और ट्वाइस कर दें, और सेकंड ऑप्शन है -1 to 0 लिमिट लेके सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट का एरिया कैलकुलेट कर लें और फिर ट्वाइस कर दें. Now required area, fourth point. Twice of lower limit 0, upper limit 1. First quadrant वाला मैं calculate कर रही हूँ. Now upper curve is line, so it is xy1. Lower curve is parabola xy2, so it is y1 minus y2 dx. कल बताया था आपको upper curve minus lower curve. So it is limit 0 to 1. Now अब क्योंकि हम पॉजिटिव फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट ले रहे हैं तो y की वैल्यू हम लेंगे पॉजिटिव, मीन्स x एंड पैराबोला इज एक्स स्क्वायर dx twice of x square by 2 minus x cube by 3, limit is 0 to 1, twice of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 0. It is twice of LCM is 6, 3 minus 2 or 1 by 3 square units. Next type, find the area bounded by the curves x square equals to y and y square equals to x. ये नेक्स्ट टाइप आ गई हमारे पास एरिया इनक्लोज्ड बिटवीन टू पैराबोलास. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डिफाइन द कर्व्स. y x square equals to y is an upward parabola with vertex at origin and y square equals to x is a right hand parabola vertex इसकी भी सेम आ रही है with vertex at origin. Origin means 0 0. Now second point of intersection. X square equals to y and y square equals to x. It implies we have y square equals to x implies now value of y is x square, so it will become x power 4 equals to x or x power 4 minus x equals to 0. It implies x common, x cube minus 1 equals to 0. So either x equals to 0 or 1. Now at x equals to 0, y equals to 0. At x equals to 1, when value of x is 1, y will become plus minus 1 or 1. So we have 2 points 0, 0 and 1 comma 1 क्योंकि square will never be negative. Now third point, curve sketching. Upward parabola and right hand parabola. And this is right hand parabola. X square equals to y and it is y square equals to x. This point is 0 0 and second point is 1 comma 1. Now we have to calculate this area. अब ध्यान से समझना है आपने. ये right hand parabola is upper curve and upward parabola is lower curve. लिमिट आएगी हमारे पास 0 to 1 अपर कर्व माइनस लोअर कर्व. तो राइट हैंड पे हमने पॉइंट ले लिया xy1 और अपवर्ड पे हमने पॉइंट ले लिया xy2. नाउ रिक्वायर्ड एरिया लिमिट 0 to 1 y1 minus y2 dx. Limit 0 to 1. y1 means y of right hand parabola. It is root x minus y2. y2 means y of upward parabola. It is x square dx. Now simple calculation. Integration of root x is 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 minus x cube by 3. Limit is 0 to 1. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 0. So it is 1 by 3 square units.